Good day and welcome to my channel. We'll be discussing the difference between the Deutz and the Goloska HA series and 912 series starters, starter bendix and ring gears, why they do not fit on one another. The reason is your Goloska or your Deutz starter has got a bendix, and that bendix is a 9-tooth on a Deutz and is a 10-tooth on a Goloska. Also, your Goloska ring gear has got 121 tooth on the ring gear, and it has 129 teeth on the Deutz ring gear. What this means is that your Goloska starter will not fit onto your Deutz ring gear because of the difference in teeth. So to sort this, you have to count the teeth on your flywheel, on the ring gear on the flywheel, and you'd have to count the teeth on your starter to determine which one you would like to replace. This is only a short video. We just started up. I hope you like the tips and the tricks we're going to show you on this channel. There's many more to come. We'll only talk about Deutz engines and the copies which you find worldwide these days. What's the difference? How can you fix your engine a cheaper way? And just some small bush tricks to help you when you are stuck on a problem. Please like and subscribe. You can find us on combustcomponents.co.za, or please check out our Facebook page, our Instagram page. We've also got a Facebook page, Deutz Engines Online, where we'll be posting weekly tips and tricks on how to save money and just normal topics about your Deutz engine. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video.